Got a VMD file from a Source Engine game mod and want to know how to use it? This animation data drives custom character movements in Valve games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle Source Engine model files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open in VMD file. Here's a sneak peek. A.VMD file contains 3D model data for characters, props, or environments used in video games developed with Valve's Source Engine, such as Half-Life 2 or Counter-Strike. Users, typically game modders or developers, search for this file to view, edit, or import custom models into the game. This is a proprietary binary format optimized for real-time rendering in a game engine. It stores vertex data, texture coordinates, skeletal rigging, and animation sequences in a compact structure. This design prioritizes fast loading times and efficient performance during gameplay, which is crucial for interactive entertainment. This VMD file is handled by the industry-standard tool Valve Source SDK from Valve Corporation. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows gives only surface-level information, so detailed access requires specialized game-related software. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the VMD file and select Open With. If Valve Source SDK is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If the VMD file is still giving you trouble, relax. Because the VMD format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, opening with Source SDK. Install the Source SDK through Steam, which provides Valve's official tools for working with Source Engine assets. Open VMD files with an HLMV Half-Life model viewer, or the SDK's animation tools to inspect keyframe data and preview animations on associated models. Next, editing with Crowbar. Use Crowbar, a third-party Source Engine tool, to decompile and recompile model assets, including VMD animations. Crowbar exports animation data to formats editable in 3D applications like Blender or 3ds Max, with the appropriate source plugins for modification and re-import. Finally, converting for 3D software. Export VMD animation data to standard formats like FBX or Collada using Source SDK tools or Crowbar exports. Import the converted animations into Blender Maya or 3ds Max for editing or reuse in other game engines outside the Source ecosystem with proper bone mapping. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.